In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom walk and idle animation in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Before we start, make sure you already have your animations ready. I will be using an R6 rig for the tutorial, but you can use any model, whether R6 or R15. Alright, first open Roblox Studio and press the play icon to load into your game. And once that your character opens, make sure to toggle on Explorer and Properties tab. And after that, just go to the drop down for workspace and locate your username. Just click on the drop down and you will see animate. Just right click on animate and just click on copy. After that, just go ahead and close the game just like so. And once that you have done that, just go to the starter player and just right click on starter character script just like so and just choose to paste into. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and open it. And if you want to animate walk and idle, so I'll just start by animating the idle. So I'll just click on the drop down for idle and select the animation. So I'll just select the animation 1 and you will see the animation ID. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open my Roblox and you will see idle animation. Just click on the 3 dot and copy asset ID and just go to Roblox Studio. Just delete the numbers only just like so and paste your ID by pressing Ctrl V and hit enter. Once that you have done that, just go to the walk and you will see walk animation. And do the same for the walk animation also. You can just go ahead and delete the ID, just copy the asset ID and paste it here and hit enter. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and go to animate and find your walk and idle. So I'm just gonna change the walk ID by just selecting it just like so and deleting it and pasting my walk ID just like so and going to Roblox and copying the idle animation asset ID and go to Roblox Studio. And for idle, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the first one that we changed. So I'll just delete it and paste it just like so. And once you have done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and play it. And you will see now we have successfully added our idle animation and it seems like he is breathing, and you can see we even added our own custom walk animation. And that's how you add custom walk and idle animation in Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.